managing teams across the world. You're not sure what to say. Then we heard your silent voice, and we brought this call to you, to show you tools, to show the way, to lead your team like pros do too. So join us now, don't wait too long. Now the knowledge is deep, the session is strong. James Igwe's here, he's leading the way. Remote project magic, just one click away. So midday morning, come as you are, we'll take you from here to superstar. You've got the dream, we've got the plan. Join the webinar with Data Bros fam. There, Zoom is open, the stage is set. Your breakthrough moment hasn't come yet, but when you log in and learn what's real, you'll gain the skills that help you seal your future role, your dream career. A voice that speaks with strength and clear. You'll understand the why and how, and take the lead starting now. So join us now, don't miss your shot. Though a guide, a team, we've got the lot. James Igwe's lighting up the way. Remote leadership starts today. Your future role, your dream career. A voice that speaks with strength and clear. Feel those tech, we lit the spark. Now it's your turn to leave your mark. So join us now, don't miss your shot. Though a guide, a team, we've got the lot. James Igwe's lighting up the way. Remote leadership starts today.